Jaden, wave! Why? Oh. Here we go. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, we're in the air.
Okay, that isn't very far off the air.
Yeah, you will. He's incredibly underwhelmed.
Oh my God.
It was awesome.
What was I afraid of?
I know, it's spinning good. Woohoo!
Nobody else is doing it.
Yeah. Woohoo!
Well, he's just like
Pretty good. Did you like that, Jaden?
Yeah.
Did you like it?
Yes, I did. I did. I did.
Yeah, Taylor did.
I thought I was gonna be scared of it.
Fun. That was fun.